Diego. He's a pit bull mix. He's 8 years old. He's part of our senior foster program, and he's a real love bug. He'd be best in an older home with adults. And if you had another pet, you could bring it down to test it with him. Good boy.